You're gonna want to see this. This is hilarious. Life in slow motion. Mavdot just gave Anikacy super slow speed. Oh, she's up there with Aubrey now. I remember Aubrey doing this before. Absolutely fucking hilarious. And now Anikacy's doing it. Almost at the bottom of the screen. Come on! Almost there. Almost there. I'm pretty sure that Aubrey was even slower than this. There's Lusty. Oh my god. Actually making good progress. That is slow as fuck. Life in slow motion. Come on! Moral support. Whoop whoop. And Lusty's the opposite, faster. Oh boy. Only on Gar Online, on zOMG, we have mad shenanigans like this. Faster and slow. I wonder if R4 Flit would do anything. I've got no idea.